Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Nestled in the mid to upscale community of Sun Valley, St. Thomas, is this stunning bungalow that is perfect for those seeking a serene country lifestyle with the convenience of city proximity. Located just 2 minutes from the new highway in St. Thomas and 20 minutes from Kingston. This 5 bedroom, 5.5 bathroom home offers an ideal blend of tranquility and accessibility. As you step inside, you are greeted by exquisite tongue and groove wooden tray ceilings that adds a touch of elegance throughout the house. The spacious kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring a large island and storage, perfect for both everyday cooking and entertaining, while the nearby home office provides a quiet space for work or study. The huge master suite is a true retreat, complete with a spa-like bathroom that promises relaxation. Outside, the manicured lawn is adorned with beautiful flowers and shrubs. The land area is approximately 0.21 acres, with the charm of a country setting and the convenience of being near Kingston. This property offers the best of both worlds. It is a gorgeous, spacious, move-in ready home that takes advantage of the growing opportunities in St. Thomas. The house is suitable for a growing family or returning residents. Don't miss the opportunity to call this your home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million, US 348.6 thousand, Canadian 499,000, Euro 320.2 thousand, or 270.9 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.